guys, welcome back to AmSam Fam. We're heading out on another Saturday adventure.
Where are we going today?
Leone Falls! So a while ago, we were driving out to the west side of the island and we saw a new sign that said Leone Falls. And that is a place that we've never even heard of. So most of the time, we take you guys along to places that we've been to and that we really love. But today we're going to take you to a new place that we've never been before. We're going to cross our fingers that we can find it and go cool down in a waterfall today.
So we made it to the end of this road here, and we tried to take the little dirt road behind me, and the car bottomed out. It just wasn't meant for something like this. Fortunately, the man that lives in this nice house back here came out and took pity on us poor Palongis and asked what we were trying to do. We told him we're trying to get to the waterfall. So he told us, go ahead and just park here on my lawn. And then he gave us some nice detailed instructions on how to get back to the waterfall. So it's about 200 yards further past us, kind of up past that radio tower. We're gonna make a go of it. Wow, this is insane.
I see it!
I don't see it. Whoa!
Whoa, whoa. I'm staying on like roots and stuff.
I don't see it. I feel it, but I don't see it. What? But I don't see it.
Okay, there are, hey guys, just be careful. There are some hornets kind of flying around right here.
There's like a drop off right here. Well, that was a crazy hike, but this place is awesome. They said that they put this concrete in to do like a fish farm or something, and it makes a perfect pool up here. We've got our own waterfall channeling down, and then we've got the perfect swimming pool for the boys to jump in, for all the kids to jump in and swim around and play for as long as we want before we have to go take that hike back. down from the falls. On the way back, we got so muddy all over again. So we decided to head down to a beach to get cleaned up. And plus, I mean, we can't go a Saturday without hitting a beach. So we came down to Se'etonga Beach. It's a little bit further west past Leone. It's in this little bay that's got 3 great beaches. There's Nua, Se'etonga, and then Utamea West. We love going to all of them. Se'etonga has this nice brown sand. The sand is soft. The kids like to call it chocolate beach or brown sand beach. And so we came here for just a little bit to let the kids play, and then we'll call it a day.
Right. Subscribe! Comment! I'm out here.